I'm George Ratiu, Senior Economist with Realtor.com, and welcome to 2021. The year is already facing challenges with a difficult week in Washington, D.C. and a resurgence in COVID cases across the country. However, there are signs of hope on the horizon. Economic data this week showed activity is still looking for its footing as funds from the second fiscal stimulus package are flowing into bank accounts. According to the Institute for Supply Management, manufacturing activity advanced in December at the fastest pace since last spring, with new orders, production, and employment showing gains. Meanwhile, the Commerce Department released numbers for factory orders showing a 7th consecutive month of gains in November. Orders for manufactured goods rose as many factories adjusted to accommodate health safety measures. The monthly payroll employment report highlighted a stalling economy in December with 140,000 job losses. The headline unemployment rate remained unchanged. At the same time, highlighting continuing economic headwinds, while the week's unemployment insurance data showed a small slide in the number of initial claims, the numbers remained elevated. There are still over 19 million Americans receiving benefits across all programs. Encouragingly, the fiscal stimulus legislation extended unemployment benefits, providing much-needed assistance. On the real estate front, a Census Bureau report outlined that construction spending increased in November as builders pushed to build more new homes, emboldened by strong buyer demand and low interest rates. Spending on new homes climbed while new construction dropped for hotels, offices, commercial buildings, and manufacturing plants. Realtor.com's December data showed that home buyers and sellers were much more active during the holiday season compared to 2019. As the number of homes for sale dropped below 700,000, listing prices jumped 13.4% from a year ago. Markets are hungry for inventory and looking for a solution to rising affordability concerns. Mortgage rates reached another record low this week, offering some reprieve to buyers looking for their next home and homeowners facing additional fees in the application process. Despite record low mortgage rates, applications declined from 2 weeks ago, with both purchases and refinances dropping back. Stay safe and keep an eye on next week's update, when we'll take a look at new economic and housing data.